Our current priorities are to continue actively following up on the status of confirmed and suspected cases, to continue to better understand the epidemiology of this hantavirus, including how this outbreak began and spread, and to foster scientific collaboration for optimal clinical care of patients infected with this virus. In addition, we're working with more than 20 countries to coordinate studies to better understand the natural history of the disease. Today, an open scientific consultation on this virus medical countermeasures was convened by the UK Health Security Agency and supported by the WHO R&D blueprint to identify gaps, improve coordination, and establish priorities for research and development into potential hantavirus therapeutics and vaccines.
Global health officials and pharmaceutical researchers are now racing to develop a vaccine against hantavirus following renewed international concern sparked by the recent MV Hondius outbreak. At this time, there is no widely approved hantavirus vaccine available in the United States or most of the world. However, several major research groups and biotechnology companies are actively working on experimental vaccines targeting the deadly virus. Among the leading efforts is U.S.-based biotechnology company Moderna, which is developing an mRNA-based hantavirus vaccine using technology similar to its COVID-19 vaccine platform. Reports indicate the company has been collaborating with researchers from Korea University and the U.S. Army Medical Research Institute of Infectious Diseases, also known as USAMRIID. Early animal studies reportedly showed promising immune responses, although the project remains in preclinical stages. Meanwhile, scientists at University of Bath and biotech company Intensify are developing another experimental vaccine designed to target the Hantan strain of hantavirus. Researchers say the technology could potentially be adapted in the future to address the Andes strain linked to the recent outbreak concerns. Military researchers in the United States have also spent years studying DNA vaccines and antibody-based treatments for hantavirus. Some experimental candidates reached early-stage human trials, but none have yet advanced to full approval. South Korea currently uses an older vaccine known as Hantavirus for certain high-risk groups, particularly military personnel. However, experts say its effectiveness remains debated and it does not provide broad protection against all hantavirus strains. Health experts say vaccine development has historically been slowed by limited funding, the relatively rare nature of hantavirus infections, and the complexity of studying multiple virus strains safely. But the recent international attention surrounding the MV Hondius outbreak has renewed urgency among researchers and governments worldwide. At present, experts caution that a fully approved modern hantavirus vaccine is likely still years away unless emergency funding and accelerated trials dramatically speed up development. For now, public health officials continue emphasizing prevention, early detection, and rapid treatment as the primary defenses against hantavirus infections.